Hello prospectors! In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft the antibiotic tonic in Icarus. Over on your tech tree, inside the Tier 2 section, you'll be able to find the antibiotic tonic, just right after unlocking the herbalism bench. The tonic will require 3 materials, and they're pretty cheap to make. You're going to need yeast, epoxy, and 3 pieces of charcoal. Yeast can be found in the wilderness. Unfortunately, I don't have an exact location of where you can find it. I just ran around the area to find some. Yeast should look like this, and if you want to get more yield, make sure to use a sickle to harvest it. In case you don't know how to make epoxy, you can easily make it inside the mortar and pestle with the use of crushed bones, or using sulfur and tree sap to make it. But I recommend using the crushed bones since it's much cheaper and a far more renewable option. Once you're done, you'll be able to make the tonic. Now you have a way to combat food poisoning, wound infections, and cave sickness in the game if you're having trouble with those illnesses. And that's about it on how to craft the antibiotic tonic in Icarus.